Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best whole house water filters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're dealing with sediment, rust, or other contaminants, these products have you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive in and find the perfect water filtration system for your home. Coming in at number 5, we have the Aquaboon 5-micron pleated sediment water filter. This filter is designed for homes with well water or high sediment loads, making it ideal for those who want to ensure their water is free from rust, sand, and impurities. Its pleated design maximizes surface area, allowing for efficient filtration and optimized water flow without pressure drops. With a lifespan of up to 6 months, this filter delivers long-term performance and protects your appliances and plumbing from harmful particle buildup. Build-wise, this filter is crafted from durable, non-woven polyester microfibers, ensuring reliability and longevity. It measures 10 by 4.5 inches, making it compatible with most standard whole-house water filter systems. Installation is a breeze, with no tools required, and its universal design ensures seamless integration into your existing setup. The pleated structure also makes it easy to clean and maintain, further extending its life. While it excels at sediment filtration, this model lacks the advanced multi-layered filtration that removes chemicals like chlorine or VOCs. It's best suited for households dealing with high sediment loads rather than those looking to tackle a broader range of contaminants. Overall, the Aquaboon 5-micron pleated sediment water filter offers reliable performance for specific needs at an affordable price point. It's a solid option for well water users looking for a dependable sediment filter. At number 4, we have another excellent product from Aquaboon, the 5-micron 10 by 2.5 sediment filter. This compact yet powerful filter effectively captures contaminants such as rust, sand, dirt, and sludge, ensuring your water is clean and clear. It's crafted from food-grade polypropylene with a melt-blown construction, which prevents fiber shedding and guarantees safe, reliable filtration for your household. The design and build quality of this filter set it apart. Its 10 by 2.5 inch size makes it compatible with most standard filter housings, and installation is quick and straightforward. What's more, this filter maintains stable water flow without reducing pressure, which is a common issue with smaller filters. Its multi-layered design enhances sediment capture and extends the life of your appliances by reducing particle buildup. While this filter does a great job with sediment, it's not designed to remove chemicals like chlorine or heavy metals, so it's best suited for households that primarily need sediment filtration. Also, the 6-month lifespan may require more frequent replacements for homes with very poor water quality. All in all, the Aquaboon 5-micron 10 by 2.5 sediment filter offers a cost-effective and efficient solution for well water or municipal water users dealing with sediment issues. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the HQUA WF301 3-stage whole house water filtration system. This heavy-duty system is perfect for households looking for a comprehensive solution to improve water quality. It goes beyond sediment removal, tackling heavy metals like lead and mercury, as well as chloramine, VOCs, and odors. With its 3 big blue 20 x 5.5 inch filters, this system ensures a thorough filtration process and delivers fresh, clean water throughout your home. One of the standout features of this system is its built-in pressure gauges and 180-day countdown timers, which make maintenance a breeze. The pressure gauges help you monitor filter clogs, while the timers remind you to replace the cartridges. The system is also equipped with pressure relief and drain valves for easy servicing. It's flexible too, with adapters that allow you to switch between 3/4 inch and 1 inch NPT fittings as needed. However, this system is on the bulkier side, so you'll need ample space for installation. It's also more expensive upfront than simpler systems, but the added cost is justified by its advanced features and superior filtration capabilities. If you're serious about improving your home's water quality and want a system that handles a wide range of contaminants, the HQUA WF301 is an excellent choice. In second place, we have the PUREPLUS 5 micron 10 times 4.5 inches whole house sediment and carbon water filter. This filter combines sediment filtration with carbon block technology, effectively removing rust, sand, chlorine, color, and VOCs from your water. It's a versatile option that works well for both tap and municipal water sources, delivering fresh and great-tasting water throughout your home. The filter features multi-layer density technology, which captures contaminants more effectively and extends the filter's lifespan. It's compatible with a wide range of 10 times 4.5-inch filter housings, making it an easy replacement for most systems. Installation is straightforward, and the durable construction ensures no leakage. With a capacity of up to 30,000 gallons, this filter offers long-lasting performance, but replacement is recommended every 3 to 6 months for optimal results. While this filter excels at improving water taste and removing sediment, it's not ideal for well water with heavy sediment loads. PUREPLUS does offer an alternative model for that use case, so keep that in mind. Overall, this filter provides excellent performance and value for households looking for a reliable carbon and sediment filtration solution. Finally, taking the top spot is the Membrane Solutions 5 micron 10 by 2.5-inch string-wound whole house water filter. This premium filter is perfect for tackling sediment, rust, sand, and other undissolved particles in well water or municipal water supplies. Its unique graded honeycomb structure offers superior dirt-holding capacity, capturing larger particles on the outside and smaller ones near the core. This design not only improves filtration efficiency, but also extends the filter's lifespan. Made from food-grade polypropylene, this filter is BPA-free, non-toxic, and NSF certified, ensuring the safety and health of your family. It's compatible with most standard 10-inch housings and can last up to 15,000 to 20,000 gallons, depending on water quality. The 6-pack format adds convenience, ensuring you always have a replacement on hand. Plus, its ability to maintain a high flow rate makes it perfect for households with high water usage. While it excels as a sediment filter, it doesn't address chemical contaminants like chlorine or VOCs. However, as a first-stage filter in a multi-stage system, it's unbeatable. The Membrane Solutions string-wound filter is a high-quality, cost-effective choice for anyone prioritizing sediment removal and system longevity. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.